Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join us again. In today's episode, we're going to explore two very common English idioms. We'll be looking at spill the beans and on thin ice. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about spill the beans. This idiom means to reveal a secret or to tell something that was supposed to be kept confidential. Imagine you have some beans in a container, and if you spill them, they go everywhere, and everyone can see them, just like a secret that's been revealed. For example, you could say, the suspect spilled the beans and confessed everything to the detective. Now, let's listen to a short dialogue between Clara and Daniel to see how this idiom is used in a natural conversation.
Hey, Daniel, did you manage to keep Mark's birthday gift a secret?
Well, I tried my best, Clara, but his brother kept asking and I accidentally spilled the beans about the concert tickets.
Oh, no. So Mark knows now?
Yes, unfortunately. I feel bad for ruining the surprise.
Next, we have the idiom on thin ice. If someone is on thin ice, it means they are in a risky or precarious situation. Think about walking on ice that is very thin. It could break at any moment, and you could fall into trouble. So this idiom means you're in a risky situation where even a small mistake can cause trouble. For example, he's already failed 2 exams, he's on thin ice and might fail the course. Let's hear how Clara and Daniel use this idiom.
Daniel, you seem a bit stressed. Is everything okay at work?
Not really, Clara. I missed an important deadline last week. My manager wasn't happy, and I think I'm on thin ice with her now.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You'll need to be extra careful for a while then.
Definitely. I can't afford any more mistakes.
And that's all for today's episode of Everyday Idioms. We've learned 2 useful idioms, spill the beans, which means to reveal a secret, and on thin ice, meaning to be in a risky situation. Try to use them in your own conversations. We'd love to hear your examples. Please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, English Tidbits, for more idiom explanations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.